Yes, I'm here. I'm here inside the yacht. What a beautiful world. The beautiful world. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. So like this, I came from downstairs, so I'm here now in the upper second floor. And inside the yacht and the pearl, and for everyone who wants to experience the beautiful yacht and tour in the pearl, going to everywhere in Doha, every corner of Doha, so just contact me for advance booking and I will give you a big percentage, a big discount. So the contacts, I'm gonna put it in the description below. Hi, it's a beautiful world. So yeah, I'm here, okay? So I'm gonna